Hi everyone, welcome to the next unit. We are doing exercise 11b, which is converting metric units. Now metric units are just what we use, most of the world use metric, which is things like the meter and the centimeter and the kilometer. There's some other places that use other sorts of units, but we're not going to talk about that one today. We're only going to talk about metric units. Some of you might know a few different metric units, and the classic one is the meter. Alright, so that's our standard one that a lot of people use. You might know what's smaller than a centimeter, which is, a meter, which is a centimeter. And we can go even smaller than a centimeter, which is a millimeter. Now, we've even got bigger than a meter, which is a kilometer. And what we're going to talk about today is just how we go between all of these units. So let's say going smaller and smaller. So if we've got a kilometer, what are we going to do to go from kilometers to meters? How many meters in a kilometer? 1,000. So we times by 1,000. Then to go from meters to centimeters, how many centimeters in a meter? 100. So we times by 100. And then from centimeters to millimeters, how many millimeters in a centimeter? We go times by 10. See how it's all times? Okay. Oop. All right. Now to go back the other way, it's very, very similar. All right, but all we have to do is we divide. Okay. So we do exactly the same, but we divide. All right, and we can even use our calculator for this at times because some of it gets pretty tricky, dividing by 1,000. So it's the same all the way along. All right, can you guys all write that one down, please? And I'll quickly go through a couple of examples. So let's say we have 3 meters, and we need to convert that into centimeters. All right, to go from meters to centimeters, what do we got to do? Times by 100. So we need to show our working out. So we would go 3 times 100 equals 300 centimeters. So that's how we would do it. All right. What if we had something really, really big, like 25,600 centimeters, and we need to go to kilometers. All right. So we need to go from centimeters to kilometers. All right. So we're going to do 2 jumps. We've got to go divide by 100 and then divide by 1,000. So we would write 25,600 divided by 100 divided by 1,000. And we can put this into our calculator. All right. 25,600 divided by 100 divided by 1,000 equals 0.256 kilometers. So we'd write 0.256 kilometers. All right. It's really important here that we show our working out, that we're showing what we're converting it from and to, and then the steps that we need to go through. All right. So that's the really important part, and obviously our answer at the end. What you can do now, guys, is have a go at exercise 11b. All right, questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll post the questions up on Compass. You're more than welcome to have a look at those. All the best, guys. Good luck.